going to take a quick look at references and how to reroute some of those references for a drawing. So I have a couple of examples here. Now the first example that we're going to review is where we want to replace an already existing drawings references with another one, for how we can create a new drawing based on an already existing geometry or part. So in this case here, we have a file open called Hanger. If I go into File, find References, this will point out the location and the file name of that part file. So we can see here, documents, files, etc. Now in the case where we want to actually reroute this, let's go ahead and close this document. And the next time that we open this, all that we need to do is a single left click and go to References. So again, we'll find the SOLIDWORKS drawing file, just do a single left click. In 2015, I'll select References. Now, if I want to reroute this, I can double click that cell and then point this potentially to a different part file. So in this case, Hanger-2, open. We'll see that the reference is made as indicated with the green color, and OK, and open. Now when you do this, just like you would change any other thing in parts, whether it's sketches, so on and so forth, we'll have the potential for some items to either be dangling or deleted for those references. So at the very least, we see that there are references that need to be updated. We could also see here revision B. So that's a quick peek into the first example. The other example is kind of the opposite effect. So in this case here, if I open this idler arm, if we want to create maybe new geometry or new drawing with its own references, how do we do that? So even before I save this, again, I'll come up to File and find References, and we can see that the drawing idler arm, part idler arm, along with the directory as well. And with this, all we need to do is a simple file, save as. A couple of options here. We can do a save as, copy, and continue. That'll continue modifying the currently loaded file, or save as, copy, and open will open the newly saved document. Also, we can choose, in this case, to bring in all of the reference components, and if we want to add a default prefix or suffix, which I'll do here, and I'll just call this -new. If we go into the advanced box, it's basically just going to bring in another dialog. So I'm going to want to make sure that the drawing in tune with this gets the same -new suffix. Now, I did each of those individually. You could also do a shift select on the keyboard to do multiple files to grab those new references. Just choose save as, or save all rather, and if I close this, and we'll see here in a second, so right now that's still the old file, come up to idler arm new, and file, find references, we see that the references are correctly pointed to the right file. Just a quick demonstration on references with drawings in SOLIDWORKS in 2015. Thank you. My name is Wayne White in Pittsburgh.